Hello, Holly. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. How about you? I'm good, thank you. You're welcome, Holly. Are you thirsty? Yes, I'm thirsty. How was your class? It was quite good, thank you. Do you need a break now? Yes, I need a break today. Do you have a car? No, but I have a motorcycle. Shall we play now in the park? Yeah, sure. Can we play with the ball? Yes, sure. Thank you. Shall we watch the movie in the evening? Yes, of course. Do you play an instrument? No, I don't have. You? Yes, I have an instrument. Oh, that's good. Can you teach me? Okay, let's learn at my home in the afternoon. Great, thank you. Is it your birthday today? Yes, it's my birthday today. Oh, I wish you a happy birthday. Thank you so much. Are you feeling cold? No, I am not. Is your family here? Yes, my family is here. Are you interested in science? No, I like to do mathematics. Do you like winter? No, I like summer. Oh, same here. Are you learning English? Yes, I'm learning English. Do you like dancing? Yes, I like dancing. Are you free tomorrow? Yes, I'm free tomorrow. Are you going to a beach next weekend? Yes, I'm going with my family. Is your phone new? Yes, my phone is new. Okay, nice to meet you. Bye. We will meet in the afternoon. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Thank you.